Alright guys, we are filming a highlight video here at Masam, and what they do is they create ATVs. So they wanted a highlight video of their assembly line, just showing how they get things done. So we are here, of course, those are the guys right there. We're here, of course, we're filming it, and the tools that we're using today, A7R Mark III on the Xenon Crane version 2. We're using the DJI Maverick Air and some GoPro Hero 6s to capture some great footage. Make sure you have really good GoPro clamps. A lot of clients like time lapses, especially any client that builds anything. Time lapses are very important, and there's no better tool for time lapses than GoPros. They're just small, you can put them out of the way, people don't notice them, and you can set it and forget it pretty much. All right, guys, just want to share what we're doing with you guys today. Have any questions about what you see? Post it in the comments below.